Welcome back to another Scotty Karate video. Today we're going to be going over a project. One we've done before. Thought we'd do a new version of it, a different way of doing it, maybe you haven't thought of, and multifaceted. So we're going to be going over how to make a ninja mask 2.0. That on today's episode of...
That's right, custom.
Many years ago, I made a video on how to make a ninja mask out of a t-shirt. If you haven't seen it, check out the link in the description. But today we're going to be going over 2.0. So, in the original video, I showed you how to take a regular t-shirt, so that you have, say, just a spare in your car, whatever, how to make it into a ninja mask, move on with your life. Well, today we're going to be making one out of a t-shirt, but we're doing some modifications to it. So, first things you're going to need is always use an old, tattered up t-shirt you don't want anymore. Never buy a new one to use, because we're going to be cutting it up. So let's get into it and show you how to do it. Alright, for this project, you're going to need two items. Your shirt and a pair of scissors. So, to get started, let's start by taking off the sticker tape off your very used old t-shirt, throwing that aside. We're going to lay out the shirt. And so what we're going to be doing here is essentially making us a tank top or a workout gym shirt with our nicely clean pressed used t-shirt. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut up across here and cut the sleeves off. So all we're going to be really doing is coming down just a tiny bit underneath the actual seam of the sleeve itself, going up here a little bit past the sleeve ends. Now this is a personal preference, not necessarily for the ninja mask, but for your workout shirt. If you want it closer, you only want a little bit, cut up closer. Me personally, I like them a little wide, so I'm going to cut right about here to here. And so when you do this, you want to start at an angle, coming this way, and then up. So you don't want to make it a straight line, because this will cause a point, and it'll ruin your shirt. So we don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is start over here on the left side of the shirt, and start cutting. So ideally, you want this as flat as you can. As you can see here, my very used old shirt is not being cooperative, but we're going to deal with it anyway. So we're just going to start here. Like I said, I'm going to go down for my personal one, let's say an inch or so, and then just start cutting. Remember, we're going to go at a slight angle, and then we're going to come up. And what I'm doing here is following the line of the seam of the sleeve itself anyway. So you want to cut both sides at the same time. That way they're even. And you just go on up. Boom. That sleeve's cut off. Now we gotta do it again. So we're going to start, like I said, about an inch down. We're going to start going in this way, then go up. There you go. And that's all you have it. Now, you have your nicely cut off sleeveless shirt for the gym when you go work out. Next, I'll show you what to do with it to make it into a ninja mask. Alright, so now we've got the sleeves cut off for our t-shirt. We should have something like this. So, I chose black for the ninja mask, but you can choose any color you want to fit whatever you're doing. So if you'll notice here, this is where we cut off the sleeve, right here. This will be the sleeve ends. So what we're going to be using is, this is where your nose is going to be, and this will be going over your chin, and then behind your back. So simply take and put it on. It's kind of like a bandana. Once you put it on, now you have it here, and then you just pull it on up. I like to tuck the sides in a little bit to make it dip And there you go. Ninja! And that's it. That's all you have to do. If you want to go over the top, use the other one. Cover up your hair. Make it have that classic ninja mask. That's simple. How to make a ninja mask out of a t-shirt. But I wonder what you could use it for. There's a couple things we could do with it. Not a bad little project. I like it. So, if you haven't ever made one of these or you haven't thought about it, it's a quick, easy way of making yourself a very cheap mask. So, you could even, maybe even make yourself a budget ninja. Yeah. So, if you use an old t-shirt, this project was free. If you buy a new t-shirt, who would do that? But if you did, it's a couple bucks, $3 maybe. So not terrible, and you get two of them. That's the best part. So you can do other things. You can use one for the top to help cover your hair. You can use one for another day, give one to a friend, whatever. But at the end of the day, they're an easy project, very quick, easy, and fun. Well, that's it for today. Just wanted to go over this and show you how to make a ninja mask Part 2 out of a t-shirt. If you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you like to know when my videos are posted each week. And, as always, the more you train, easier the fight.